Look at that beautiful sky. It's a painter's sky, as I always say. Got the Steadicam again. Look what's behind me. I've got the umbrella in the bag. And the bag's on my back, sorry. I thought I had the bag down there, but it's my gloves and my binoculars. We just passed a little share there. Let's get the binoculars anyway. In fact, I'll sit you down here the now. Just sit you here just now. If I can. Give me a minute, guys. Just to get this umbrella down and get my gloves and whatever, binoculars. Great umbrella this, and I only got it for $7.99 or something off the internet. Great as a walking stick as well. I'm going to go for a little walk. Little walk. Just getting this all sorted. Put the gloves on because I think we'll need them. It's a mixed day today. There's a little bit of a wind, there's showers, but most of all, there's great sunshine. As you can see, gotta just fix this microphone, guys. Sorry about this, I should have got it all sorted. But it was one of those spur of the moment things. I wasn't going to vlog. Look at that. Beautiful countryside behind us. That's us all set. Now we can go. Well, I charged up the Steadicam last night. There's no point in using it. We've just came off of Heathfield, so we'll take a little stroll down this alleyway of trees. Said the previous vlog, buzzards are out. I've not managed to film them yet, but I will. Yous all know I will. Great to see them because I was wondering where they were, but they're all pairing up now as well. Spring's on its way. Spring is on its way. At least that's something to cheer us up about, eh? Now, I fed the birds and the mice and whatever in Leafy's Wood early this morning. I got up early, I couldn't sleep. So I got up about 6 o'clock. I was out for 7, which is great. I normally wake about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't know about yous, but that's when I normally come to life and decide what I'm doing for the day. You notice I've got the hood up as well. That's to keep acts as a great windbreaker. Keeps the wind off your neck. You don't want a chill in the neck. Yeah, so out early. As it says, I get up about 6 o'clock. I decide what to do for the day, get the breakfast and whatever done. And then I get the sandwiches made up, as you've seen, for out and about. But yeah, the weather's not too bad today compared to the weekend, so That's why I'm out. There's no heavy showers. If there was, I'd be away back doing some painting. But what I decided this morning was I need to do some ordering art supplies. I'm running low on some stuff. Some painting. I need some paints. And I don't know about yous or you artists out there, but you always need to resupply your brushes. I usually clean them really good. But when they're years old, when they're months and years old, you have got to buy new brushes. That's one good thing you have to do. I've seen a lot of artists where in their studio I see brushes for years and years back, and I thought, they can't get much paint strokes and whatever out of them. There's certain paintings, you see, that needs a certain softness of the brush, which you cannot find, and you cannot find in the well-used years-old brushes. These are good for some things, but not for everything. So that's on my list, new brushes. I've got a couple of lamps to buy as well for the bedroom. Look at that sunshine. I'll turn you round for a minute just to see where I'm at. Oh, I'll have to lower the Steadicam. Hometown over there, as you'll see. That's how far I've come. Well, my house is there. That's my village. But there is where I stay. Yeah. Let's turn his back. Yeah. That's how far I've came. Not far. It's a 10-15 minute walk. Depends how fast I walk. Put it this way, it's right next door. If a heavy rain shower came on, then I'd be home within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how fast I walked. And you know yourself, the other day, what a tremendous thunderstorm that was, wasn't it? I couldn't believe, I've been out in many years and times, and I just could not believe how fast that came on me. 1 minute I was talking to you, and the next minute it was just like horizontal sleet and snow and the winds that came with it. I can understand now how all these trees blow down, because normally I'm inside when there's a storm arrives, but that time I was caught out. I was back home in 10 minutes, so it was okay. And all weekend after that, the storms have came, so but they're not really strong, that they blew down a lot of trees, which is good. But yeah, this is lovely to get out and about again. I've heard a lot of pheasants today, so they're pairing up as well. Yeah, back to what I was saying, I need to order a lot of art supplies middle of the week, end of the week time, so look out for them. I might just do a wee mini haul, let you see what I got. But yeah, take that tip from me about those brushes. You need new brushes, even though you've got brushes. You have to have new brushes to make some type of painting. So yeah, don't be stingy. Just buy new brushes, is what I'm saying. Now, you know what I've never seen for ages is the kestrel. Turn these round again. The kestrel. Oh, that's the tree there in front of us. There's a whole set of trees there, but this is one of his favourite trees. And I've showed you before, that power line is a favourite for him. Going up into Leafy's Wood, I can sit and film him on that power line there. So that's one of his favourites. But yeah, I haven't seen him for a wee while, so he's either pairing up or he's hunting on a new ground somewhere. But I'll get him. There's no film him sometime. Maybe all these strong winds have chased him as well. Maybe he's hunkering down, which a lot of animals do. There is signs of the fox. I've showed you them. He's gone in and out underneath that gate. So that's one animal that's going about. Doesn't matter if it's wind or rain or sleet or snow, you always see the fox out. But yeah. Whew. This is the hill. This is us going back up to Leafy's Wood. It keeps the heart pumping. That's what it does. Keeps the heart pumping. Keeps you fit. That's probably one of the reasons I do it. I do this most days, so I'm used to it. But I'm coming up to 70 years old shortly. I'm 63, so I'm on the run up to the 70s. So you can understand the reason I'm out of breath sometimes. Yeah. Let's go over and see that tree. I've never been over here for a wee while. Yeah. It's one of my favourite trees to sit at. I think we'll just have a little seat here. I had my piece over there. Well, I had that break. Try and get this bag off. I thought I'd taken a little walk today. Look at the sun over there. See the sun's rays coming down? What a beautiful picture that would make. Painting. Lovely, eh? Yeah, let's have a seat. I started putting some seed down here for the birds. I'll show you. I know. So I put it under there. So they've got a little bit of shelter. A little bit of a shelter there for them. Like a roof. Yeah, I was walking by one day and I seen a couple of robins and blue tits on that line of trees, and they were coming down to this fallen oak tree, and it's where I was sitting having my piece. I was sitting having my piece one day and it must have been the crumbs they were picking up, so every time I go over to Heathfield now, I'll lay some seed down for them. I always keep some from Leafy's Wood to feed these ones as well. My feeding is expanding. My feeding stations are expanding. I'll need to buy a bigger bag of seed. But yeah, it's so lovely today, getting that fresh air and whatever. But I'm going to leave you here because I think that vlog is long enough now. It's 15 minutes. And we'll go on to the next one. I'll probably be in the house or somewhere. But yeah, nice speaking to you, and nice for coming on this little walk with me. Catch you in the next one. Microphone's falling down. I hope you heard me.